different. We're gonna do pressure wash this front porch and and this over here, the lean-to that covers the wood. So we're gonna clean this, and we're gonna clean this porch. As you can see, if you look over here, I've already started a little bit because I had to work on the pressure washer. The carburetor was all gummed up, so I had to disassemble that and do that. So got the pressure washer working now. Just gotta take some things off the porch and we'll get to it, all right? Okay, as you can see, it looks a lot better, but I have some house wash. It's for decks and everything. I think I'm gonna spray it all over all this wood and just let it sit, and then I'll come back out in maybe like an hour and rinse it off. There's still a little bit of growth on there. I'll get that off. This pressure washer is just not running at 100%. I'm just gonna have to get one of the pressure washers from work and use that because this just isn't quite working that well. I'm trying to get this stuff off, but it is on there pretty good because I need to stain this deck. It's a little better, brighten it up some. Definitely got rid of the black on all the rails and everything. That's what I was mostly worried about, was all the black. Got it all clean. It's a lot better. could actually stain it the way it is. It's clean. All right, get everything nice and clean. Still needs a little more work, but it's a lot better than it was. But I think that's gonna do it for this video. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.